Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable explicit content on iPhone. So if you're looking for a way to disable the explicit content options in your Apple library or Apple Media or Apple TV, you don't want to see anything that has to do with 18 plus stuff like that on your iPhone, here is the quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing is open up your settings, then open your screen time, then scroll down a little, tap on content and privacy restriction. Under that, tap on content restriction, then under it, anything that has to do with music, podcast, news or fitness that is sent directly to your phone will be plain. So that is to say, anything that has to do with 18 plus stuff related would not be sent to you or would not be appears on your mobile phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.